Hi everyone, this is Thursday the 8th of October's dictation, and this picture is from one of my favourite movies called Lord of the Rings, and this hobbit here is Samwise Gamgee, and he's a friend of Frodo. Frodo is another hobbit, and I love this quote. "There's some good in this world, Mr. Frodo, and it's worth fighting for." Got to fight for what's good and what's right. So I quite like that. All right, so ready for dictation. The 8th of October, 2020. First sentence, I gave my mum a hug. I gave my mum a hug. First two words, I gave. My mum a hug. I gave my mum a hug. Next sentence, it is sunny today. It is sunny today. Let's take the first two words. It is. Sunny. Today. All right, let's go over the first sentence. I gave my mum a hug. Second sentence. It is sunny today. So you check, you know how to check now. Make sure you are happy with it. Make any corrections that you might want to make before you upload it.